In marriage, women often hear, I love you. But what a woman really wants to hear is, I respect you. Now, let's be honest. Most men think women want money, attention, compliments. But the truth is, what a woman really wants in a marriage goes way deeper than that. Hi, my name is Sharifat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about what women need in a marriage or what women want in a marriage. So if you're a husband out there, you're a brother about to get married, well, this video is for you. So stay tuned because this video is definitely for you to watch and learn. You see, in marriage, women don't just need a provider. They need a partner, someone who listens to them, someone who notices them whenever they are quiet, someone who values their opinion and do not make them feel small because they have emotions. Women need to feel significant in their marriage. That means them knowing that they are a priority in the partner's life and that their feelings and needs are valued. Women need intimacy. You see, when your wife is stressed out from putting out fire all day just to make sure they put dinner on the table for those that are important to them, that is you, their family, you, their partners. They need to know that you are willing to give them your comfort, your warmth. You are willing to give them that moment of comfort after the day's activities. Women need compliments and praises. So make it a point of duty to often praise them and compliment them, especially their work accomplishments. They need that. This is so she can feel that she is a valuable part of your life. Tell her how beautiful she looks even when she's covered with sweat. Women need to feel that they are in marriage of partnership and not dictatorship. Don't be a husband that lord it on your wife all the time. I mean, I'm the boss of the house. Whatever I say is what you do. Your opinion doesn't matter. Women don't need that. Women need to feel loved. Women need to feel valued. So as a husband, make it a point of duty to always make her feel that. Make her feel that they are your partner and not your slave, not your sex toys, not, one of your colleagues at work whom you boss around. And yes, love. It might not be the movie kind of love, but the kind that shows up in the little things, like checking up on her, praying with her, and being consistent, not just when it's convenient. Because when a woman feels seen, heard, and valued, she pours back everything she has in that marriage. That is her nature. Let that sink. So, brothers, if you're asking what a woman truly wants in a marriage, well, it's not perfection, it's connection, it's love wrapped in understanding. Because when a woman feels loved right, she becomes unstoppable. She becomes unstoppable on the things she pour out in that marriage. And you, brother, you will be at the receiving end. You will be the one benefiting more. And you will be the one thanking God for blessing you with such a woman, for making you cross path with such a wonderful woman in your life, in your home. Because it benefits you, your family members, your children, especially your children, because they will grow up learning such traits from her, how to love, how to be loved right, and then they will grow up again, get married and transfer that, if they get it right, transfer it right back to their own family, and it goes up like that, and before you know it, we have a generation of a thriving marriage. We have a generation of a marriage that doesn't fail. We have a generation of a marriage that doesn't know what divorce is and the meaning of separation if it goes that way. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started right now. If one, two, or more brothers find this video useful, please drop a heart at the comment section of this video, and don't forget to share it with that brother out there whom you feel will also be interested or also need to learn from this video. And as you do that as well, drop a thumb up for me. Yeah, for me. And don't forget to subscribe if you're here to subscribe to our channel, Family Values, for more interesting and heart-to-heart talk videos. Not scripted, real, undiluted. See you in my next video.